setting traps, no setting traps. No glove, no love. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna finish this house today. Okay, marking 1 1/8 inch. Okay, first one is right here. 12 inches away from this one. Bam, bam. Okay, on to the next. Send it. Cool. To the next. Akita socket unit helpful. Cuts about 1/8 deeper. It makes a big difference. Get out of here. Beast mode on him. Never take a night off. Everything I purchase is a write-off. Guys, so far I brought my tape out once, twice, to lay out the floor and to put the LBLs in. That's it. Guys, it's time to eat. And not sacrifice quality. This one, regular layout. This one, 12 inches from this one. Oh, I brought my tape out. Not good. Guys, remember, always overlap your top plates and don't cheap out on nails. You know what? I think I'm gonna feast over here. All right, push these up. Actually, you know what? Can you get this section ready with the 12 footers? Wow. No, the garage. Do we have enough in there? I got another bundle out front. Inline framing. Oh. Guys, always glue your hangers. No squeaks, no callbacks. And it's code. Oh, it's my jam. This is my jam. What happened? Hey, what happened? Yeah. Beast mode. Full display. Let's go. Vondro, I think I need 2 more here. That's fine, I grabbed there. Doesn't matter. Whatever's easy. Yeah, one more. Toilet, shower. Same as the other side. Yep. On to the next. I think that took me 15 minutes. Guys, remember, be safe, stay in your comfort zone, stay in your lane. Have a great weekend.